Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the spreadsheets that I love using when I go shopping. But before I get started, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and welcome if this is your first time. So don't forget to hit that button so you can subscribe and be part of Excited for Coupons. So let's just get started so I can show you the shopping list that I actually use. It's a spreadsheet. I normally use this in the computer, so it's very easy for me to enter the information that I need based on all those deals and the coupons that I do have, and it will calculate it for me. And then I just print it and take it with me and make any changes that I need in the store. So what I'm going to do is show you briefly how it looks like, what are the titles on the top, those areas that maybe you shouldn't really use because it will calculate there's formulas in there. But also you could not only do it in the computer, but you could also print it and write it by hand if you like. So let me just start showing you this spreadsheet. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna show you what each column is. You see the name of items. That's where you're gonna write any items, the name of it. Then where it says coupon is divided by info and date. Info represents the book. For example, Smart Source, you could put SS. Retail Me Now, you could put RMN. And the date of that book that is in, let's say 10/21. Buy, you could put the items you need. Price, the price that is on special for. And then credit, if it's buy one, get one 50% off. In the credit section, you will put what the credit is going to be for, meaning half of the regular price. Next way, you see that it's gray and it says subtotal. So what it's going to do is going to calculate the amount that you bought with the price, and it's going to deduct any credit that there is. So automatically it's going to calculate it for you. Then the other section says total after coupons. You don't touch either. What you do is now you pass to the other section after the gray that says CVS, and it says coupon, and it says MFR, and it says coupon. In there, you're going to put any coupons that you do have. So let's say there is a coupon from CVS that you got from the red box machine. Then you could put coupon in the CPN. You put number 1. And then the amount where it says CVS. Let's say it's $4. So automatically what it's going to do now where it says total after coupon, it's going to deduct the subtotal minus the coupons that you put in this section. And then at the end, you see another great section. It's going to say coupon total amounts. It's going to total all the coupons you have in total, including manufacturer coupon, CVS coupon, anything that you put there that is going to be a credit. And that's how it's going to calculate it for you. Then on the other section that it says final price, that's where you're going to put the ECBs. If you use any beauty ECB and any cash back, so then it could give you the item total. So that way you'll know what is the actual final price after ECBs, beauty rewards that you received and that you did use, and cash back. So now that you know a little bit how it works, now here is an example. The example we're going to be using is a Wet n Wild. In this one, you will see that there's 2 different items. There's one for the palette and one for the lipstick. So in total, you do need 3 items because you need to reach $10 in order for you to receive the $7 ECB. The only coupons we have that some people, they received it once they scanned their card in the red box machine. There is some coupons saying 4 off 10. So the total you should pay $6.37 and then you get back 7 ECB, making it free, and 63 cents money maker. So that's a pretty good deal. So how would you know exactly the calculation? So where it says name of items, you will use both sections, the green and the white, because you need 2 different items since you're buying 2 different products. Then where it says buy, you will put 2 for the palette and 1 for the lipstick, and then you will put the prices there, and then automatically it's going to calculate it. It's going to give you the subtotal for each. And then on the CVS coupon section, you could just put the coupon wherever you feel comfortable because both items are going to be for the Wet n Wild deal. And then at the end for the ECB, you're going to put a 7, and then it's going to give you the item total. One is going to be more negative because not all items are on one line since you are buying different products for one deal. So this is just an example. So here's another example that's a little bit more simple because it only takes for you to add it in one line. So in this case, let's do the Garnier Fructis. That's going to be on special. The regular price, it does say is $3.99 if you buy 1. So what I did put was I put $3.99 and to buy 3, and then the credit will be 98 cents. because two of them will be $3.50 and one will be $3.99 since you're buying three. So the total came out to $10.99, but as you can see, the sample that I gave was if you buy four. So remember that a lot of the deals that we do is just the best scenario, but depending on the coupons that you do have or how many you want to purchase is what you're going to put in the spreadsheet, because this is going to be for your shopping trip. So the best deal is if you buy three. So in the spreadsheet, I put three for $3.99 minus 98 cents equals $10.99. So then I put that we're going to have one coupon deducting three, because one will, if you buy two, it will deduct three. And also there's a printable that if you, for one, they will deduct $1 when you buy one. So you will see that I put that there. And then at the end, you're going to get a 5 ECB when you buy three. And then also when you see in the section says cash back, you'll get three, making this free and $1.01 moneymaker if you have Savings Star. So now I'm showing you how it would look like. If you do buy three of the Garnier, it will be $10.99. That's how much it will be in the register. After giving them two coupons, manufacturer, a 3 and a 1, it comes out to paying $6.99. But if you have any other CVS coupon, then you could put it there. Even though that wasn't a CVS coupon, I just put it there because it was available. But you could just add it on the manufacturer on the manufacturer section if you like. It still will come out to $6.99. But so it could be whatever works for you. Then you continue and you could put how much the ECB is going to be and how much you're going to get cash back. And then at the end, as you can see, it tells you exactly what the final price is going to be after any ECBs and cashback has been applied. So this was another idea, since it does include a credit item or a credit total, and there was more than one coupon. So now I'm going to show you another idea, which is going to be a lot simpler, that it doesn't require any coupons, just in case, to make sure that you do understand how to work with the spreadsheet. So the next deal idea is very simple. It's just buy two. There's no coupons needed. And so that will be two. You pay two. You get back one ECB when you buy two, making it $1 or 50 cents each. But I did see later on that there is a cashback from from checkout 51. So let's add that to the spreadsheet. So this is what it would look like. So you will see now on the fourth line, which is in the white section, it says 7-Up 2-liter. It could be 7-Up, it could be Sunkist, but this is just an idea. And then next to it, I put checkout 51. You could write it there, or you could also write it on the coupon that says info or date, wherever you feel comfortable. Right there, I put two for $1. And as you can see, there was no coupons in the section. And then you will get a $1 ECB. But then on the cashback section, I put 55 cents. That's how much you will get back when you buy two, making it 45 cents for both items, which is a pretty good deal. So now let's talk about the total and what was the final price and how do you understand the spreadsheet. So then on the bottom, it says extra coupon, but it's all in red. Underneath the total of the gray, it tells you how much the total will be if you purchase everything on regular price. It would have been $23. No, once it adds the credit, it will be $24.34. Total after coupons. The total after coupons is key. This is the area that I always look at, so I'll know how much I'm going to pay out of pocket. Meaning that, let's say I do this only one transaction, and let's say I have $15 in ECB. I'll know that's how much it will be before taxes. As you can see, there's no section here totaling taxes. So this is how much exactly what I'm going to pay. And so let's say if I needed to spend $15 in ECB, this would be a perfect trip. Of course, when you go to a store, they might not have it, it might be a different price, but at least you did your part on the spreadsheet and it'll be making it a lot easier. Then once you receive the ECB, I love this part too. On the other section, it says final price, because once I see my receipt, I like to make sure that every ECB that I was expecting is on the end of my receipt. So I should be getting 3 ECBs in total, and the total will be $13. I'll know exactly that I do need to submit my receipt to 2 different places so I could get the cash back. Luckily, Savings Star, if you have it linked to your CVS card, it will automatically should be sent to your Savings Star account. But the other one, I do have to make sure that I submit my receipt to checkout 51, and sometimes I do it in the card, do it in the store. I'll know that I do want to get back that cash back, so I'll know in cash back it will be that amount there. So it will tell me that my final price, my final total for my whole trip is free and $1.19 money maker. And then it has a little section in green. In the next to it, it will tell me how much each item would be based on the items that I purchased and the final price. So it will be 15 cents money maker per item. It also totals everything on the other side as well. So you could pick and choose if you would like to see it on the red section or on the other side as well. So once you receive the spreadsheet and you're going to print it, this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, it does hold two different transactions. You could have an idea from the top and have another transaction in the bottom. What I really love to do is I like to print them on both sides because sometimes I have more than 2 or 3 transactions. Whatever is beneficial to you, and it will also save paper like that. Also, in the yellow section is the only yellow section you see there is where you put the date. Once you change the date there, it will change the date on the top and we'll change it on the other section where it says transaction too. So I try to make it as convenient for you that you don't have to type as much, but also don't try to type on any of the gray section because that's where the formulas are at. So this is my latest spreadsheet. I'm going to include that in the description box. If you're interested, you could just select it and it will be in Excel, or you could just print it and write it if you like. So I hope you really like this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You could share it as well. And I will also provide this on my blog, which is excitedforcoupons.com. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.